Let's program a 2014 Dodge Ram pickup truck. First things first, as always. Let's hook up the 608. Okay, let's put in a new key FOBIK that we are wanting to program. Stick that guy in there. That security light tells us that it is the wrong key. So let's go ahead and program. All right, super bright in here, so I might not be able to see this. Let's look up a Dodge, D-O-D. There we go. There's our Dodge. And we are going to automatic select it. We are going to look for the Dodge here. We're going to search for the VIN number. It's going to be a FOBIK key. And we found the vehicle. Let's go there. It wants us to turn on the hazard lights. We can see there on the dash. Going good. Okay, it just found our password for us, so now let's go to hot function. Type 1 learning here. It's going to pull everything up. All keys lost because they have lost all keys. Let's go ahead and start the program. Sorry about this will remove all keys, yes. And sorry about, let's see if maybe I can put it down here where we can see it a little better. There we go. All right. I don't want to reread the PIN code. And it's running. Are you sure you want to erase? Yes, we do. Erase was successful. Let's go. It's programming. Let's program it. Do you want to learn this key? Yes, we do. Okay, it says one key learned successfully. Do we want to learn another one? No, we don't. Let's let it close right there. Running. Boom. One key. Success. Let's pull this FOBIK out. Let's redo it here. Let's look for that red light on the dash. There's the red light. Let's see if it starts. What? We have ignition. And we have success. Yes, let's go cut the mechanical key. We just sold the customer a second FOBIK while we were here. Yeah. All right, we're gonna punch in our key code that we know. We got a green light. Let's go ahead and cut this key here on the 3D Elite. It tells us right here, jaw 2, vice. It works like a champ. Okay, the job is done. You guys tell me what kind of vehicle you'd like to see, how the programming works. I don't do any German vehicles and what have you, and I will see what I can get done for you. Thank you for watching. Make sure to follow this video. Very important. Hit the like button. Also, I want to hear your comments on what you think of this programming type of stuff. And follow me for sure. See ya.